Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these adorable little daisy flowers. Okay, so what we need to get started, we need some white yarn and some yellow yarn because this is going to be a daisy. And I am going to make, and then you need a crochet hook, and I am using an eye hook and a pair of scissors and a yarn needle to sew in your tails. So I am going to start with a magic circle. So wrap the yarn over your finger and around your thumb and grab a hold of it with your middle finger there. And then you're going to slip your hook underneath the yarn on your thumb and then draw the yarn through the circle, pinch it, and then secure it with another little chain. Okay, we're going to work 8 half double crochets into the circle. So there's 1 half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, draw through, and yarn over and draw through all 3. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then I'm going to pull that circle closed, so the center is closed, and we're going to slip stitch into that first half double crochet to join. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and fasten off. Just had that little bit of yellow yarn there. Okay, and I'm just going to put my hook in one of the half double crochets, grab the yarn, the white yarn, and pull it through to start. And I started in a different place than where I ended, so I don't have to deal with tails from everywhere. So I am going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I did 1 extra. 7. And I'm going to work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So not this one, but this one, single crochet. And then I'm going to work a half double crochet in the next stitch. And then a double crochet in the next stitch. Another double crochet in the next stitch. Then a half double crochet in the next stitch. And in the last stitch, a single crochet. Okay, so that is 1 petal, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch. Slip stitch, and that kind of secures our little daisy petal. Okay, so we're going to do that same thing again. Chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So single crochet in the second stitch, second chain, half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, another double crochet, half double crochet, and then single crochet in that last stitch. So we're going to do that same pattern all the way around until we get back to the beginning, and we will have a total of 8 daisy petals. So then I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, another double crochet, and then a half double crochet, and then a single crochet, and then slip stitch to join, or slip stitch to the next stitch. 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, single crochet, half double crochet. By now you can probably say this with me. Double crochet, another double crochet, half double crochet, and a single crochet. Slip stitch into the next stitch. So now we have 4 of our cute little daisy petals. And I'm gonna, okay, so isn't that cute? I love it. Okay, so chain 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. and we're going to single crochet in the second chain, half double crochet, double crochet, another double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitch. We have 5 petals now. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I'm going to just meet you back at the end. So I'm going to speed through these last 2, and then I'll show you how, or last 3, and then I'll show you how to work the end. Okay, and so that was the last one. We have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the last one, and we're going to slip stitch to join back into that same first one that we started with. Okay, so there are our 8 daisy petals, and it's adorable. So I'm going to cut my yarn and draw that through to fasten off. And then I'm going to go ahead and hide all these tails. So we'll start with this yellow. And I'm just gonna slip them underneath the stitches and go a little ways, not far, just a little ways, and then snip that off. Then this other yellow, this is our center. So if your centers come a little loose, you can still tighten that up. And go ahead and hide that tail. And then we have these last 2 white ones, and I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot. Just a gentle knot, nothing too tight. And then I'm going to hide the tails. I'm going to go ahead and hide them inside the yellow area because I don't want to put tails up into these petals. So I'm just going to go ahead and run it in between in the yellow. Make sure that this white stays on the back so it doesn't show through to the front. I'm going to work this one in too. And cut off the yarn tails. Flip this over, and we have an adorable little daisy. This can be used as an applique onto another piece. You could put a clip on the back and make it for something for your hair, or attach it to a headband. You can use these just almost any way you like. Daisies are so fun and friendly. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Be beautiful on the inside and the outside.